Hi, I'm JR Rimbo, and in this video I'll show you how to quickly create professional, on-brand marketing visuals using the Generate Marketing Creative skill in Clone Studio. Whether you need eye-catching images for campaigns or social posts, this feature makes it easy. No design experience required. Let's dive in and unlock your creative potential. To start creating standout marketing visuals, first select the clone you want to work with by clicking on its card in your dashboard. This takes you to the Clone Details page. At the top, open the Skills tab to see which skills are enabled for your clone. Look for the Generate Marketing Creative skill. If it's already enabled, you're ready to go. If not, just hit the blue Add Skills button, find the skill in the list, or by searching, click Configure and Add, and close the window. If you know the skill is enabled, you can skip this step. Next, head back to the main chat by clicking the Chat tab, then click the blue New Chat button to start a new conversation. This is where you'll submit your creative request. The Marketing Creative skill is designed to take your ideas and turn them into polished, brand-aligned visuals using advanced AI. It's perfect for hero banners, value proposition panels, testimonials, product showcases, and social campaign graphics. The skill uses your prompt as a creative brief, refines it for production, and generates a marketing image, typically in a 1024 by 1024 format, but you can specify custom sizes if needed. When you're ready, type your prompt in the message box. Be specific about the message, headline, style, and vibe you want. You can also include a public logo URL to integrate your brand, a reference image URL for style inspiration, and even specify the image size, like square, portrait, or landscape. Here are a few sample prompts to get you started. Create a hero banner with the headline, AI Clones, Real Expertise, Instant Impact. Place our logo in the bottom right. Use this reference for style. Insert style URL. Size 1536 by 1024. Design a testimonial panel with a modern, clean look. Use our brand colors and add the logo as a watermark. Generate a product showcase graphic for our new app featuring a bold headline and a futuristic vibe. Reference this image for style. Insert reference URL. The more detail you provide, the more tailored your creative will be. When your prompt is set, click the blue Send button. You'll see a confirmation in the chat that the Generate Marketing Creative skill is running, along with a summary of your request. The clone will let you know as soon as your creative is ready, usually in a minute or two. Once it's finished, you'll get a clickable link. Click here to open your new image in a separate browser tab where you can review the result in detail, download it, or share it with your team. If you want any changes, you can use the AI Image Editor skill to make adjustments. For more info on that, check out our AI Image Editor how-to video. With the Generate Marketing Creative skill, you can go from concept to finished, brand-aligned visuals in just a few clicks. No design experience required. And that's it. You've just seen how easy it is to generate high-quality marketing visuals with Clone Studio's Generate Marketing Creative skill. For more tips and advanced editing, check out our other how-to videos. Ready to create your next campaign? Jump in and let your clone do the work.